This video introduces 6 effective ways to fix the problem iTunes could not connect to this iPhone, according to the possible situations you may get into. Solution 1. How do you fix iTunes could not connect to this iPhone because an unknown error occurred OZ800A? Before you start, check the following details. First, 1. Check if you have installed the latest version of iTunes, macOS or Windows OS. 2. Make sure your iPhone is turned on. 3. Make sure you have clicked Trust on your iPhone. When Trust, this computer window pops up. 4. Disconnect other external devices and connect iPhone to computer via a different USB port or working USB cable. 5. Reboot the computer and iPhone. If you have checked all above details but iTunes still could not connect to this iPhone, you can try the steps to fix it. For Mac users, Step 1. Press and hold the Option key on keyboard and select Apple's System Information or System Report USB under Hardware. Step 2. Remove the third-party antivirus software from your Mac if your iPhone appears under the USB device tree. However, if you cannot see iPhone there, contact Apple for help. Solution 2. How to fix iTunes could not connect to the iPhone because an error occurred while reading from the device. Step 1. Make sure you have installed the latest version of iTunes on your computer. 2. On Mac, open iTunes, go to Account and sign in with your Apple ID, then select Authorizations under Account, enable Authorize this computer. On Windows computer, open iTunes and sign in with your Apple ID. Select Authorizations under Account, tap Authorize this computer. If you cannot find the menu bar, you can press and hold the combination of keys Ctrl+B to unhide it. Step 3. Uninstall all incompatible apps from iPhone. Unlock your iPhone when connecting to the computer and make sure that there is enough space on computer. Solution 3. How to fix iTunes could not connect to this iPhone because an invalid response was received from the device. Step 1. Update iTunes, iPhone and computer to the latest version or OS. Step 2. Go to Settings on iPhone, General, Reset Network Settings. Step 3. Use a different Apple USB cable to connect iPhone to a different USB port. After that, reboot iPhone and computer, unlock iPhone and tap Trust. When you see Trust this computer, inquiry on iPhone. Solution 4. How to fix iTunes could not connect to this iPhone because the value is missing. Step 1. Launch iTunes on computer. Power off your iPhone and connect it to computer via USB cable. 2. Press and hold the Home plus Sleep or Wake buttons at the same time on iPhone, or press and hold the Home plus Power buttons at the same time on iPhone. Step 3. After holding for 10 seconds, release the Power button or Sleep or Wake button and continue to hold the Home button until a message pops up and notices you that iTunes has detected an iPhone in recovery mode. Then click OK and you will successfully boot iPhone into the DFU mode if the screen keeps black. Solution 5. How to fix iTunes could not connect to this iPhone without computer via Find My iPhone quickly. Step 1. Visit iCloud.com on your computer and sign in with the Apple ID which you use on disabled iPhone. Step 2. Click Find iPhone option, all devices, select the locked iPhone, tap Erase iPhone and confirm your choice. Solution 6. How to fix iTunes could not connect to this iPhone on Windows computer. Step 1. Power off your computer and iPhone. After that, reboot both devices. Step 2. Open iTunes and click Help, check for updates and update iTunes to the latest version. Then unlock your iPhone and tap Trust on iPhone. When Trust, this computer window appears.